In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MetaMask app on Android. We will walk through every tap together so you can be sure you are getting the official wallet app safely. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When it opens, you should see the main Play Store page with a search bar at the top and some suggested apps below. Now tap the search bar at the very top of the screen. When you tap it, the keyboard will slide up from the bottom. You will also see the text field ready for you to type in the name of the app you want to find. Next, search for MetaMask Crypto Wallet or MetaMask Trade Crypto, depending on what appears in your region. Type MetaMask slowly and watch for the official suggestion to appear in the drop-down list. Then tap the correct suggestion so you do not mistype the name, which can show unrelated apps. Once the search results load, verify that the developer is MetaMask. On the search results page, look under the app name for the developer line. It should clearly say MetaMask. If you open the app page, you can also scroll slightly to double-check the developer information there and confirm the icon shows the familiar orange fox logo. After you confirm it is the real app, tap Install. The Install button is usually green and sits on the right side of the app page. When you tap it, the button should change to show a progress indicator, which means the download request has started. Now wait for the app to download and install. You will see a circular progress bar or a moving bar as data is downloaded. On a fast connection, this may take only a few seconds, but on slower networks, you may see it taking longer. The install button will eventually turn into an open button once Android has finished installing the app on your device. With the installation complete, tap Open. The MetaMask app will launch and you should see the MetaMask welcome screen, usually with the Fox logo and a short description of the wallet. This confirms the app installed correctly and is ready to be set up. At this point, choose one of the following options on screen. You can create a new wallet, which will generate a brand new secret recovery phrase only for you. Or you can import an existing wallet using your secret recovery phrase, which restores access to a wallet you already use on another device. The buttons for these options usually appear clearly on the first screen, so take a moment to read each one before tapping. You have now downloaded the official MetaMask app on your Android and reached the setup screen for your wallet. If this helped you get MetaMask installed safely, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear crypto how-tos.